In this video, we will have a brief explanation about averages and we will solve the example about each and every type of averages. Now, let's discuss the types of averages. First of all, we have the mean. The mean is basically the sum of all of the values divided by their number. The second is the median. It is basically the middle value when the data is arranged in order of size. The third type is the mode. The mode is the value that occurs more often. And finally, the range, it is the highest value minus the lowest value. Now, what we're going to do is that we're going to have the example and we're going to have to find the mean, median, mode, and range. Now, this is the example. We have random numbers 11, 16, 14, 10, 9, 7, 6, 15, and 21. Now, the first thing that you're going to have to do is that you're going to have to arrange the number in increasing or decreasing order, it doesn't matter. So, we have 6, another 6, we have 7, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15, and 21. Now, let's find the mean. As I've said before, the mean is the sum of all values divided by their number. So 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 14 plus 15 plus 21 divided by their number. And as you can see, we have 9 numbers. So it's going to be 99 divided by 9. So it's equal to 11. Now for the mode is the most occurring value. And as we can see, 6 is occurred twice. So 6 is our mode. Now for the median is basically the number plus 1 divided by 2. So you have 9 values plus 1 divided by 2. So it's going to be 10 divided by 2, which is 5. So the fifth value of our arranged set of variables is the median. And in such case, it is the number 10. Now finally, we need to find the range. The range is the greatest value minus the smallest value. And so it is going to be 21 minus 6. And that would be 15. So 15 is the range, and that would be the end of this video.